in Christmas times. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be.
Good afternoon, guys! Hapon na. Today is first day of December. Ano na, guys? 4:33 na. Ngayon pa mag-open ng vlog kasi sobrang nabisi ako kanina. Kasi nag-edit akong dalawang vlogs and upload na siya. Na-upload na siya and pinablik ko yung dalawang vlogs today. And then, I'm trying to edit ulit para maya-maya para sa vlogmas kasi December 1, diba? Vlogmas. And hindi pala ako nakapag-edit, guys, kagabi. Kasi, sobrang napagod na ako nung gumawa kayo ng intro para sa Christmas vlog. So, kanina, ang inedit ko, tatlo pala inedit ko yung temporary na intro for vlogmas tonight. Then, bukas ko na lang ilalagay yung finale, yung ginawa naming intro ng mga bata. Sana ma-edit ko siya ng maayos. And si Holly, pagod na pagod siya, guys. Hindi siya sa kindi ngayon. Sa school siya. Ayan. Nakatulog siya. Pagdating niya, pagod na pagod ang baba natin. School day, sa school na siya. Sa big school na siya. Hindi na siya sa kindi, guys. So, pinapractice na sila. Yung mga kindi ngayon, pinapractice na pumunta sa school every day. Tapos bukas, instead of half day, full day siya din bukas sa school. Kasi next year, after ng Christmas holiday, pagbalik ni Holly, so ano na siya, guys, sa school na siya. Hindi na siya kindi. Reception na siya, guys. Every day. Yeah, later. And yung dinner namin ngayon, simple lang, sabi ko sa kanila. Simple lang ang dinner natin ngayon kasi may gagawin ako yun nga. Mag-i-edit ako para sa vlogmas natin mamaya. Sabi ko si Jan, kasi may lobster siyang nakuha, igagarlic ko na lang yun. Tapos mag-tinapay instead na mashed potato. Tapos yung mga bata, hotdog and rice. So yun yung dinner natin tonight. And baka gumawa ko ng ice candy. Mango ice candy kasi sobrang init na ngayon, guys. So yan yung aking ganap. And mamaya, oh, tingnan mo naman si Sak, nag-headstand na naman. Binuksan na pala nila yung and ngayon, yung mga hugasan ko kagabi, ngayon ko lang hinugasan, oh, basa pa sila. So mamaya, patutuyin ko yan. Si Jan, siya kasi Sak, pagdating ni Sak, binuksan niya itong ating, Toblerone. So, pipiliin ko yung dark chocolate kasi walang kakain ng dark chocolate. So, gagawin ko na lang to sa aking baking. Sa baking na lang itong mga dark chocolate. Mamaya, piliin ko yan. So, ngayon, si Jan, mayroon siya pinifill up na form kasi si Sak gusto mag-excursion. Where are you going, Sak?
Korea.
Huh?
Korea.
Treehouse only?
Yeah, I probably might be going there too.
Only the treehouse?
Yeah. Until 1 o'clock, 10 to 1.
When is it?
Tuesday next week.
Next week.
Yeah, but only because
Malapit na sila mag-ano.
Only because it's fun week.
Mag-school holiday. Tapos, next week, this week, right, huh?
What?
Saturday?
Yeah.
This Saturday?
Yeah.
Or we're going to... Next Saturday. Punta kayo ng Adelaide kasi pipili na kami ng kulay para sa aming caravan. And si Jan,
Dad,
what's going on Saturday, Kuya?
Birthday party.
Oh, my birthday party. Si Kuya pupuntan. How about Daddy? Daddy's birthday.
Yeah, I'm gonna be here for the rest of the day though.
Alright. Birthday ni Jan sa Saturday, December 4. So, tinatanong ko siya kung anong gusto niya. Wala pa siya sa akin sinasabi. Pero bumili na ako ng, just in case gusto niya magpaluto. So, mayroon na tayong, di ba? Bumili ako ng mince, brisket, mga ganon. So, tingnan natin kung magbago ang isip niya na mag-dinner with friends or with family. Hindi ko alam. Kasi may mga ganap din kasi yung mga tao ngayon. Kasi busy na. Nag-shopping or may mga pinupunta na silang holiday. So, yun guys. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay magsasampay. Mayroon naman nilabang guys. So, wait lang. Magsaing muna ako. Hindi pa ako nakapagsampay kasi magsaing muna ako. And then si Jang kanina nandito, di ba? Umalis. Umalis si Jang. Pumunta siya kay... Kilala niyo si Bryce, di ba? Yung friend niya. Tinulungan niya si Bryce kasi si Bryce, 4 days ago, umuwi siya. Kasi nag-fishing siya sa Roe. So, umuwi siya dito kasi hindi muna nag-fishing. May dala siyang malaking snapper. Linagay niya raw sa shed. And then, ninasikaso yung octopus. And then, later, nakalimutan niya na. After 4 days, naalala niya yung snapper. Andun na raw sa sahig. Tulungan ni Jang maglinis doon sa, sa shed. Kasi, siya guys, baho daw. Sayang no. Sabi ko sana. Sabi niya, nakalimutan niya eh. So, yun. Pero meron tayo dyan. Meron akong na-save dyan na snapper para sa mga girls. Papunta nila dito. Kaya okay. Meron tayo dyan na snapper. Ano pa? And si dyan mag-order ata siyang prawns. Yung king prawns. Kaya parang tayo. Seafood tayo sa sa inyo nakikita. More on seafood tayo siguro sa New Year. Kasi meron tayong king crab. Chinek din ni Jan. Okay pa yung king crab natin. Buhay pa. Hi, Papa! You're awake now? Hi, Papa! Say hi to the vlog. Say hi, people!
Hi!
Meron siyang kagat ng lamok. Kasi lagi sila nasa labas pag gabi. Kasi gabi na pero may araw pa. So naglalaro silang golf. Hindi nila napapansin. Meron silang mga kagat. Sisak dito sa mata. Kagabi siya naman. I'm cooking rice baba.
Yummy!
Yeah, and then I'm gonna cook hot dog. Kuha tayo ng tea towel. Kasi nilabang ko na yung mga tea towels. So yun, nandun si Jan. Mamaya ko nalutuin yung lobster. Kasi siya yung mag-snap ng ulo, malaki yun eh. Minsan kasi natutusok ako. Gusto ko si Jem nag-snap ng ng head. Ngayon, kunin ko yung jar. Ayusin na natin tong chocolate na Toblerone. Punasan ko tong jar. Kasi ang dami ng fingerprints. Ang bango-bango nitong pine oakley na to. Siya eh, tropical blossom yung scent niya. Ang bango-bango. Gusto ko ang amoy. Dito lang sa labas, sa loob hindi na. Kasi, ayan. Kuya, can you get me? I-mix ko siya ng favorites. Kuya, can you get the chocolate there, please? 1 favorites, please. The one on the computer. The big one. Oh no, the small one. Ako na lang. I got small one. Kailangan natin. Ayan. Meron tayong maliit, di ba, nakuha kahapon? Yes. Later. Gusto nang buksan ni Sak yung regalo na yung ginawa niyang, yung binalot ko kagabi. Gusto niya buksan, sabi ko mamaya. Ayan, makintab na siya.
Mommy,
Yes?
kind of chocolate I like those ones and those ones.
The crunchy.
Yeah, and
Careful,
that
Baba. The flake. So, eto, wala tayong tatanggalin dito kasi gusto to lahat ng mga bata. Ayan siya, oh. Nakadapa na siya dyan. Ang favorite niya raw ay crunchy. Ang init ngayon, nakabukas lahat ng pintuan. Ay! Wait, huwag natin ubusin para half-half ba? Half-half. Half Toblerone. Ayaw din nila to yung golden na dark. So, tatanggalin ko rin pala yan.
hate those.
No, ayaw nila yan. Yan yung natitira. So, ang ginagawa ko,
Crunchy, my favorite.
nilalagay ko siya sa mga ano ko, baking. Not now, Baba, because we're gonna have tea. Not now.
Put
Okay.
the drain first in.
Huh?
Put the drain first last.
Here.
Last.
Okay. No, because I'm gonna put Toblerone as well. So, I'm gonna remove that dark chocolate.
I hate it.
I know. So, we're not gonna put that one. No, don't put all stuff because I'm gonna put Toblerone.
You want crunchy.
Yeah, later, Baba. Remove that golden.
I want the
Dalawa lang naman pala.
crunchy one.
Tatlo. Tatlo lang naman yung ano. No, because I have to put the Toblerone, I said.
Oh,
No, not all.
just some. Take the white one. Not the black
white.
one. The black one's dark
Ibuhos ko
chocolate.
ulit kasi para ma-mix ba.
Mom, not these ones.
Yeah, I'm gonna remove. Yeah, I'm gonna remove.
dark chocolate.
Alright, I'm just gonna remove it for now because I can put that to my cake. Alright. So Toblerone.
That's my favorite.
Okay, not now, Baba. You can just ask me and I'll give you.
They sound like bubbles.
Don't put it all, Baba.
I cook one.
Okay. Ayan. Okay, that's enough because we're just gonna refill when it's almost like empty. Okay?
But when it's half done.
Yeah, alright, half. Okay, ayan na siya, guys. And then, ito, oh, careful. Wala na, and, ayan, meron pa siya. Almost kalahati. Oh, almost full siya, oh. Tapos, etong dark chocolate, ilalagay ko yun sa pantry. Okay, oh, yung ating, ano din, punasan din natin yung takip.
I miss you crunchy.
Magluto na ako ng dinner. Madali lang naman. Hotdog lang naman. Tsaka, I don't think so magbe-bacon sila. Just hotdog? Hotdog. Okay, hotdog.
And the rice.
Rice? I'm cooking na, ha?
Rice hot dog.
Ha?
I want the bread.
Hotdog?
Yeah, and that oil bread thing.
These are my favourite ones.
The white one, yeah? Okay, can you put this one there, please?
Because it's white chocolate.
Maybe we put more because,
It's not enough.
yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh.
Where's your Toblerone?
No, I just mix it here. Alright.
Dream.
Alright, thank you.
Crunchy.
Okay, magluto na muna tayo ng dinner.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da.
Tapos na ako mag-dry ng mga plato and nandun na yung aking paglulutuan ng hotdog. Yung mga bata nasa labas, naglalaro sila ng golf. And ako, labas din ako muna para ilagay ito sa recycle bin. And si Jan, hindi pala siya nag-fishing kanina. Ito yung baon niya. Yung sandwich dito, hindi na to pwede. Ito yung laman ng baon niya, guys. Hindi siya nag-work. Kasi yung weather. Hindi yung weather. Yung ocean naman. Flat. So, ayan. Ito yung ano ni Jan dapat. Lunch niya. Ngayon, tapang ko na rin ito. Kasi hindi na yan. Pwede. Oh, may tao. Hi! TJ's at the back playing golf.
Is he allowed to come out for a bit?
Yeah, he's at the back.
Can I go in there?
Yeah. Friendly kuya. Chelsea Chase. Ayan. Hi, Chase! Hello! How are you? I thought you were in the mount. I thought you were in the mount.
What?
I thought you were in the mount.
Oh, no.
Oh, okay. Yeah, TJ's there. You can go see TJ there.
Yeah.
Alright. Ang cute ng batang yun. Ang bait din. Wala pala si kuya. Nandun sila sa, nag-over the backwood sila kuya. Kinuha nila yung kanilang mga golf balls. Nandun na yung dalawang friends. Yeah. Yang naka-green yan yata yung may swimming pool na pinupunta ni kuya. Eh, hindi nyo makita, guys. Ay, malamig na yung hangin. How are you gonna get? Oh my God, sa ikaw na talaga sa. Where's TJ? Si Kuya ayaw niya. So umikot si Kuya doon hanggang sa doon sa main road. Si Sakin din. Talaga siya umakyat. It's cold now, hon. Good job, Baba. Well done. Is TJ knows that they are here?
He's coming around the other way.
Adana, that's Kuya. Parang napaka-easy lang kaysa. Okay, pasok na ako. Malamig. Magluto na tayo ng hotdog. I need your help, Han. Snap the head of the lobster, please. Andun na si Kuya, oh. Baba, you're not cold? Oh, I'm cold. Malamig na yung hangin, eh. Okay, come on. Mommy gonna cook now. So, ito yung hotdog. Yung Footy Franks ang lulutuin natin. Hindi yung Filipino hotdog. Wala na ako nun, eh. Pero gusto to ng mga bata. So, magluto na ako. So, buksan ko na tong malaking vegetable oil. And yung rice natin, 5 minutes na lang siya, luto na. What's that, yeah?
I'm going for a walk.
Alright. Make sure you come home before tea, okay?
What time's that going to be ready? 6?
Yeah, it's already 6. It's almost 6.
Are we back to 6?
6:30. Alright. Nagsumbong siya sa daddy niya. Kasi di ba sa school na siya? Si Kuya Sak daw, nag-play lang daw na a little bit sa kanya. Tapos pumunta na raw si Kuya Sak sa friends. Sabi ni daddy niya, yeah, only play with Sak a little bit.
Yeah, I did.
I
Then I
know.
wanted to go play. And she went into the girls' toilet. And I started being
Have some
mad.
medicine tonight, bub.
Even when I come
Yeah.
Get rid of these for you and put some stuff on it.
Isn't that I got one here?
Huh?
Kasi marami siyang bite, si Holly.
Yeah, yeah.
Do the lobster hand,
Big
please.
girl.
Yeah, she is big girl now. Watch out, Baba, ha? You might fall. Andun na yung ating hotdog. 4 muna. And si Johnny Boy.
Yummy lobster!
I know, Baba.
Have you got a bag or something, bub?
Huh? Why?
Could I be a helper?
Yeah, you can be the audience.
Oh, hinugasan. Don't wash it, honey. Ayoko yung hinugasan kasi gusto ko yung part na yan.
We have a plastic bag on.
Plastic bag? Alright.
With shells in.
Yeah, here.
What is audience mean?
You watching.
The people in the crowd.
Yeah, you're watching.
Audience.
When I have a haircut.
So,
Oh, it's darking underneath my hair. It's right up my eyebrow.
Ito na yung rice.
I got a haircut. I just did it black. Everyone's hair but except that's brown.
What?
My hair used to be like that.
No.
You know,
Yung
when I was born.
a little.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this paper towel, hon.
I did notice that when I turned it
I
off.
finished
Here yung paper towel, oh.
Mom,
Kaya akala ko nahati ko lang siya kanina.
I'm
Yes?
gonna
Oh,
video you.
fireplace.
Don't video me,
Yeah.
Baba.
Mom, I think I want to make a box somewhere on my head.
Huh? Stop jumping or backflip.
No, I think I want that on my head.
Mossy?
Yeah.
What? Binablog niya ako. Napakalit naman ito. Hindi ko napansin noon sa ano. First time ko makabili ng ganitong paper towel. Yung kalahati. Tipid. Hinugasan niya. Did you wash it, ah?
Oh, you want to try a leg, Baba? Okay, Baba. Just hold that. Not too
Why
hard.
save me some,
Just a little
please.
bit.
Sweet na save me some legs, please.
Oh, let's leave.
Si Oli, kaagaw ko na siya sa lahat.
That looks like Benny's eye.
No. Bigger. More.
How about mommy?
Oh.
Can I have that big one, please? Yum. Sarap. Sarap na pag fresh. Thank you. Tingnan guys. Manis namin. Sarap. So I cook it right, huh? Wow. What's that, Baba?
Mommy.
Yes. That's fine.
Oh, funny. Need more light. No, more leg.
Mama.
No, I want more leg. Please, I get. I want all the legs, please.
It's too hard, please. Not good stuff, please.
Have it? Have it?
So, Jackarai.
Oh, wow. So nice. So tasty, Jackie boy.
You taste so good.
Not much in the legs.
Oh, the one I
So they're hollow?
Oh, yeah. So it's empty.
Yeah, 'cause they're not full of meat yet.
Walang laman yung kalahati. Oh, be upset.
More
If I
legs,
buy that one like that.
Where's more beef?
Yeah, isn't
I want more legs, please.
inubos ko yung yung hotdog lutuin.
I want some legs. I want some legs. Please, legs, please, yes. Come on.
Come on.
Wait, I'm going to video.
Well, that's half empty.
Yeah.
Well, you should be able to hear
Why?
it fall.
Why?
Because they don't shell them.
You're fine.
Shelly.
Not full of meat yet.
Yeah.
They're soft.
Tastes good though. Ayan, inubos ko. Ilan siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces sa isang
Here's
ganito.
that.
No, I'm just kidding.
600 grams. Gluten free. You like it, Zach?
Did it
Yeah, I love it.
Ako,
I did have it.
Did not.
Niloloko mo
I still
ako.
did it. I didn't want to crazy.
Yeah, si Zach, si Kuya. Ayaw
I
nila. Bakit
only
kaya?
want sharp turn the blue eye.
What is that? Nothing
Yeah,
in it.
nothing.
Whitefish, please.
I like this. Oh, ito. Pinapon ni Jerry itong the best. Yung may...
Whitefish, please.
Ito. This is the best, ha?
Yeah.
No whitefish,
Sana.
please. No whitefish, please.
Harap.
Have to have that one.
That's mine, Nani. That's mine.
Oh, I have no whitefish left.
Sarap nito.
This one's empty.
Yeah. Yung iba empty. Yeah, that's right. Akin na. I'm just gonna touch.
Watch that.
Let's do please. Whoa, Mommy. No, me. What? You have to put that at the end.
Huh?
You can go back.
Oh,
Alright.
oh.
Thank you, ito yung sabi. Akala ko inugasan yan. Sarap nito eh. Ito the best part.
Haha, you did it fine. But there's only a fire. Not like after when you finish the chef and have it, then no, I'll go back on after.
Ito yung akin. Yan ang mga sasarap, masasarap. Ditong part ng masarap. Tapusin ko lang itong hotdog. Tapos i-garnish ko na itong lobster ni Johnny Boy. Kapag shower na si Johnny Boy, guys, and ngayon, naglalagay siya ng butter sa kanyang sliced bread and cheese. Ako, magluluto ng eggs. You want eggs, Ann?
No, thanks.
No, thanks. Kasi
Hot dog,
crayfish.
please.
Hot dog?
Oh.
Oh. Hotdog na siya. Oh. Ano kayo guys? Tabingi. Yan na siya.
Who's that?
I know, right? Easy dinner.
Zach.
So, you want eggs?
Zach.
I want Polly. Your
Daddy.
time.
Who wants to try?
Who wants to try? Oh, Daddy. Si Zach gusto niya bali egg, yung scrambled eggs.
Hot dog.
Don't tell me there's fish in it.
No, just hot dog. Mm.
That's good.
You want sunny side up egg, Baba?
Yeah.
Pardon?
Let's try.
Oh, what do you reckon
Oh,
of that, Jack? Huh?
Hindi ko na lang daw i-garlic yan guys kasi gutom na siya, oh. Gawan ko na lang daw siya ng, what do you want? Huh? Thousand Island. So, mag-homemade na lang daw ako ng Thousand Island. Okay. Gawin ko na yung sauce niya. Hindi siya makapagkinita. Alright? Nice? Is this enough or not?
Yeah, yeah.
Sure?
Yeah,
You sure?
Oh.
No more legs. Hindi ako masyado sa yung katawan ng lobster. Gusto ko yung mga skinny lang. Yung kinukuti-kuti na tulad ng legs, ulo. Pag breadcrumbs is good to, ha?
Yeah.
Masarap to sa breadcrumbs. Okay. Tapos na ako. Nalutuan ko na ng eggs. Eggs na lang ni Sat. Scrambled egg kasi kay Sat. Lutuan ko na lang ng dalawa. Tapos na pala si Jan kumain ng dinner niya and nakapag, ano na siya guys, nakapag-tublero na siya. Kumuha na siya ng 2 tublero nun. And tinarahan niya ako. Tapos nagluluto rin ako ng bacon. Naluto ko na yung egg. Ito na yung dinner ni Sak and ito kay Holly. Yung kay Kuya, wala pang rice kasi wala pa siya dito. Nandun pa siya sa mga kaibigan niya. And andito si Holly. Tingnan nyo yung kanyang mukha. Hot baba ha. Ayun yung kagat ng mosquito. Nakaasadyang pa talaga sa mukha. I get your
Focus spoon.
kutsara tinidor. Say kutsara tinidor.
A Chona and a door.
Kutsara tinidor.
Daddy.
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you, Mommy.
What's that? Help me.
Diyan yung magsampay siya kasi Sak. Kasi sabi ko kakain din ako.
Where's your sauce, Bobby?
I put tomato sauce on. Thank you. Ang cute ng mag-ama. Sila yung nagsasampay. Wala pa rin si Kuya. Oh, speaking. Nandito na siya. Yeah, you're right. Wash your hands now, Kuya. Yeah, they're hanging the clothes.
And Dad?
Wash your hands now.
Dad, will you try?
Yeah, Asawa have it because he's helping Daddy.
No,
Nah, I just looked up.
Wash your hands now and eat, okay? Ito na yung kay Kuya.
French?
Yes. Want sauce?
Yes, please. Try the one first. Thank you.
Welcome. Si Kuya lang dito sa bahay ang gumagamit niya ng mustard.
We bought a big one. Yeah,
Is it? Siya lang ang kumakain, gumagamit niya. Open it. You have to shake it first. Yan na si Sak. Tapos na sila magsampay.
Half now.
No. No.
Since I went out.
Yeah.
Ayan yung nagsampay.
Also, go.
Ang dami raw niyang sinampay. Ayan si Sak, oh.
Bike and everything.
Yeah. And mustard as well. You're fishing tomorrow, huh? You don't know, so
More.
I'm not gonna make sandwich then.
Nah.
Yeah, because you just
There's
waste
one
that.
already.
Yeah, wasted, Kuya. Where are you
We're
going?
going to the same house called Joe's Farm. You ate that crayfish.
I haven't yet. Later, I'm gonna edit first.
More
Kumain kasi akong hotdog, 1.5.
Shares boys out the table.
Yeah, punta siya. Tingnan niya muna raw yung dagat, then punta kay Joe. Si Kuya, kinuha niya na yung plato ni Holly kasi tapos na si Holly. Are you gonna eat that, yeah?
Yep.
Are you that hungry? Tapos na silang kumain and ando na sila sa chocolate jar. Help her. Okay, nakuha niya na yung gusto niya. Si Kuya kumuha ng 2 Toblerone. What flavor did you get, yeah?
I got
The white?
Huh?
What flavor did you get?
What?
Both?
Yeah.
Just one at a time, please.
Crunchy.
And make sure the wrapper will be in.
Let's eat this one first. It's my favorite.
Crunch din si Sak. Parang gusto ko rin mag-Toblerone. Can I have Toblerone, Baba?
The cover.
Wala talaga, hindi na ako nagda-diet, guys. Kumain akong hotdog, ngayon Toblerone naman. Nag-rice din akong konti.
Get that one for you.
Ang cute naman itong Toblerone, oh. Ang liit. And ito pala yung temporary na intro namin sa Christmas vlog mamaya. Ang cute naman itong Toblerone, oh. Ang liit. And ito pala yung temporary na intro namin sa Christmas vlog mamaya. Tingnan niyo si Kuya. How many you got?
These are so good.
Ako nakatatlo na, guys. Kuya, pang-4 niya yun. Kasi dalawa kinukuha niya. Tara. Hindi yan magandang idea para mag-diet. Ang lilit lang kasi. Parang nakakabitin. Mas gusto ko siya ganito kaliit kasi dun sa malaki. Pero katatlo tayo. Guys, salita ko ng salita. Hindi pala na-on yung camera. Sabi ko, bago ako magugas, mag-unboxing muna tayo. Kasi ilang araw na to sa akin na sinasabi ko yung unbox. Ito yung nakuha natin nung paalis ako. Kami ni Holly. Ayan. Okay. Yan yung laman ng box. Mayroon tayo dito. High Prime Collagen Film. Dermar Sanse. Hindi ko alam kung tama ang pronunciation yan. Meron sa cheek. And meron sa forehead or neck. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. O, itry natin to. Yung itsura niya sa likod. Meron akong kimchi seasoning. Alam niyo naman, gustong-gusto ko ang mga maanghang. So, meron akong 2. From Caristo, guys. Ay, excited ako dito. And, kung ulit nito, meron tayo ulit nitong M Plus na Medica Suicide Cica Cream, yung 50 ml and 30 ml. Naubos ko na yung 30 ml. Tama, diba? 30 ml to, tsaka 50 ml. And meron din tayo dito yung High Prime Collagen Ampoule Mist. So, etong tatlo. Excited ako dito. Oh my God, dami nating mga lipstick dito, guys. So, ano ko na lang kayo, balitaan ko na lang kayo kasi marami ito. Pag ginamit ko to, sasabihin ko sa inyo yung yung kung anong ilalagay natin sa lips. Madami kasi, oh. Mayroon tayong 1, 2, oh, may lip tattoo ako ulit kasi wala na. Mayroon na lang ako dyang konti. So, mayroon tayong isang lip tattoo. Ito yung Richly Red. Yes, yung dati kong ginagamit. And merong isa na bago. So, ito-try natin itong isa. Ito yung Spicy Orange, yung kanyang shade. And meron tayo ditong Etude House Fixing Tint. So, marami ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh my God, 7. So, meron tayong 8 na fixing tint. And meron din ako dito Dasik. Dasik 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, update ko na lang kayo sa mga lip tint na dumating. Sabi dito, eto raw ay ano to eh. Mask proof. So, tingnan natin. Balitaan ko na lang kayo. So, yan yung laman ng box natin, guys. So, itry natin ang mga yan. Ito, gusto ko itong itry kasi anti-aging, guys. Kasi alam nyo na ako magto-turn 40 in 2 months. Oh my God, malapit na, guys. December na. Mabilis na lang yan, no? So, balitaan ko kayo, guys, dito sa mga nakalagay dito sa box. So, mag-edit muna ako. Kasi vlogmas na, guys. Vlogmas. Mag-edit na muna. Yung mga bata, nasa labas na naman sila. Bago pa ako mag-edit, guys, maghugas muna ako kasi panakaupo na ako doon. Dire-diretso na yun. So, maghugas muna ako bago mag-edit. May oras pa naman tayo. Madali lang naman siguro yung i-edit ko kasi yung i-edit ko ay yung pagtayo ng Christmas tree. Tapos na ako maghugas and yung mga bata nandito na sa loob. Malamig na yung hangin and ako mag-i-edit na ako pero parang gusto kong i-try yung isang fixing tint, yung isang shade doon kasi madaming shade siya. And today, wala akong lipstick, wala tayong makeup, guys, walang kilay. Ano lang yan, moisturizer na M+. I-try ko siguro yung alin ba dito? Ito na lang na soft walnut. Merong soft walnut. Sige, try ko na itong ano. Ito na lang. Analog Rose. Ayan. Ito yung shade niya. Analog Rose. Tama ba? Yeah. Okay. Ay, ang cute ng ano. Packaging niya, guys. Oh. So, wait lang. Apply lang natin. Ay, ilagay ko muna dito para makita nyo. Ayan yung shade nyo, guys. Wait lang. Balikan ko kayo. Ayan siya, guys. Oh. Ang ganda ng ano, applicator kasi liyad na liyad siya. Yung gano'n na gano'n. Kaya maganda siyang i-apply, lalo na dito sa mga gilid-gilid. Mabilis lang naman siyang i-glide. Yun na yun, tuyo na siya. Ay, gusto ko tong shade na to. Tingnan nyo yung applicator niya. Kita nyo ba? Yung liyad na liyad siya. Kaya madali lang siyang i-apply dito, lalo sa mga gilid. Eh, nag-dry na siya. Pa-dry natin. So, try natin siya mamaya. Kung magta-trans, patuyuin lang natin siya. Alright. So, ayan yung itsura niya.
Did you take that off?
Alright, mag-edit na tayo, guys. Nakaligo na yung mga bata, guys. And, ayan na sila. Bubuksan na nila yung kanila. Come here, kuya. Yung kanilang advent calendar. Find the one first. Where's Holly?
That's gonna probably not.
And where is the one? Here, Baba.
One!
Okay.
Chocolate.
Yeah. How about you, Sak? What you got, Sak? Lollies?
I can't chocolate.
Huh? Okay, put it back, Sak. Ayan yung kay Sak, oh. Super sour. No, because one...
Guess what? I get the
one-
gummy ones.
You got... Yeah. Only one a day, Baba.
Where's number one?
Yeah.
How come only
Okay,
one
I'm
in
gonna
the
do
Nine lollies of toys.
I don't know.
Present!
Oh,
You
bubuk
guys are first and Holly then.
buksan din nila yung...
I get.
Press.
Yung ginamit
Yeah,
nilang
I've never tried this before.
props. Nung ano, gumawa tayo ng ano, kahapon ba? Gumawa kami ng Christmas intro, ha?
I've tried one of these ones.
Is it troll?
Yeah.
Si Holly, na ano siya kasi chocolate sa
I
kanya.
like these ones.
You like the chocolate
I
one?
love these ones.
Yeah. Let me see, Baba. What's the shape?
Oh, that's nice.
A reindeer? Oh,
You know what
yeah.
I want?
Yeah, alright.
I
Yeah.
want to get my favorite one.
Later, on the 23rd.
That one.
Okay. Put it back and clean up the table. Marites to si Saki. Naki-isyoso.
Oh, yes! I got pins! I got pins! Yay! Thank you. Dad, I got pins!
Thank you!
Get Zach.
How about you, Sak? What you guys, Sak?
I got this! I got this! I got this sick car! Look at mine, Dad! Look at mine!
Ang saya nila.
Dad, look! Why?
kasi si Kuya, ano na, you have license to use the pen, right? Yeah?
And we
Kuya?
Where's your pen? Where's your pen?
This one. Yeah. And brush your teeth after, okay? Kagabi pa nila yung gusto. What's that, Sak? May rekla.
Probably get the two.
Holly, look what I got!
I got those. Wait, where's mine?
No, this is yours. Yeah, that's Holly.
Wait, look, I got this, I got this, I got this, I got... Oh, wait, oh, that's in that.
Check it.
I'm opening my new car.
Alright.
I'm
Open your
opening
new...
these hatches.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you're opening here. I already got that.
So, look.
You pressed the one hot button.
Kuya, I think you got the Batman. Is
Yeah,
it Batman? How about you, Sak?
Just a Hot Wheels one. I got Batman.
I did not.
I got
it.
Hot Wheels car.
I thought they were the same.
I want Batman car.
Look at mine, Daddy.
Yes.
Daddy, could you help me? You need scissors.
Help her. Yeah, all lollies and then...
You will get this one. That's adorable.
Daddy will help you to open
We
it.
got the
Hold on.
most, didn't she?
Wow.
Wait, no, we all got the same.
You got all the same.
I know why Harry got big one. He got that one.
Yeah.
that.
You have extra, yeah, because you need the pen.
I'm just eating all of these things.
As long you brush your teeth.
No!
Just don't smell it.
Why are you even smelling it?
Don't smell that. That smells disgusting.
What is it? Oh, this? Fizzy ball.
But it's actually good.
Yeah.
Try a lollipop.
You got
Is that? It's just like lollies.
It's like a lollipop.
Just be careful because it's very round. Yeah, I know. It's just a small one. Save some for tomorrow. Don't eat all the lollies, please.
I'm gonna take some skull.
Yeah, you can bring that at school. What's inside, Baba?
Button.
And I'm gonna have a look in here.
Yeah.
Mayroon din silang Kinder na chocolate.
I love these Kinder stuff.
Because of the surprise?
Are my favorite.
Yeah, is it coconut, yeah?
What? There's
Cream?
milk, cream and milk inside.
Okay, you have to put it together, Holly. Put in the box.
Whoa! Look,
Put
there's
in the egg.
mini ones.
Yeah. Happy?
And then a bar. I'm happy.
You're a good boy.
I'm gonna
Thank you for the that's your surprise after our Christmas intro. What we did. Thanks, Daddy. Kasi nagmamadali si Oling buksan yung ano, diba? Advent calendar.
I don't want to eat the chocolate.
No, don't open it yet. Save it for tomorrow, please.
I want to leave this one off.
Dami nila nakain ng lolis ngayon. And drink a lot of water.
Real spicy.
Alright. Okay, clean up now.
It's a bunny.
Yeah, nice too, Baba. Yours, yeah?
Can you get it like this?
Yeah. You like it?
Keep buying these colors.
I want Batman ones. They
Yeah.
big and fast.
Baba, let me see yours. Ayan yung put in the egg, okay?
Fly.
No, hold
Yeah.
it. This is wrong one.
And make sure you put it in the egg, okay? Nag-spray si dyan kasi may mga lamok. Kaya nilalamok yung mga bata. Nag-spray mo rin siya sa mga kwarto.
Mommy, can everyone?
Yeah, that one. Put that one. Make sure you put it back in the egg, okay? So you don't lose it. Okay, Holly? Are you listening, Holly?
Yes.
Guys, 11:08 na. Ako na lang yung gising dito sa bahay. Yung mga kasama ko tulog na kasi may pasok yung mga bata. And si Jan, baka mag-work siya. Hindi niya pa sure kasi i-check niya para mamaya yung dagat kung nag-change yung wave or yeah, siyang nakakalam niyan. So, hindi ko lang pong papasok si Jan. Pero ako, eto, chine-check ko na lang yung aking vlog. Review ko na lang siya din. I-upload ko siya. So, late na siya ma-upload mamaya. Madaling araw na. Baka pagising dyan. Kasi dyan magigising yung mga 2:30 or 3 o'clock. So, magigising din ako niyan. Kung makatulog tayo. So, I'm trying my best na ma-upload talaga to para maging updated tayo, guys. So, yun na yung vlog natin. And yung ating palang lip tint. Ayun po, guys. So, hindi naman siya nag-transfer. So, basta update ko na lang kayo dito rin sa lip tint. Kasi gagamitin natin to araw-araw. Araw-araw kasi ang dami nating lip tint yan, guys. So, yan ko na yung vlog. Thank you, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. See you tomorrow. Good night, good morning.
The very